everyone, it's MJ23Dan back with another video, and today's video I have a pickup. So this right here is the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray Low, and this is a size 10.5 in medium gray white Gunsmoke, and the style number is 528895 and color code 003. So I personally wasn't looking for this pair. I'm already done with lows unless like a Concord 11 low drops again in better quality materials and stuff like that. But my buddy wanted... Always happens, man. I gotta learn to like turn this on vibrate whenever I do my videos here. Sorry. Anyways, what I was saying, my buddy was looking for this pair and I happened to win in Sacramento. Now I'm from Stockton and there's like 2 local malls here that I can go to, but for some strange reason, I guess like one of the foot apps just gave me the win in Sacramento. Sometimes it goes how it goes, you know, like so. Anyways, go ahead and pull out the pair for you here. I took a picture on Instagram for my Instagram followers and I did like a poll, and I wanted to see what you guys were feeling on this particular shoe. So yeah, this is the Cool Gray 11 Low. This is the first time that the Air Jordan 11 was featured in a low in this colorway, and at first glance it's a bit darker than I remember from like 2001. I don't have the 2010 version that came out when it did. I passed on that one because I did have the 2000. Let me go ahead and pull that one out for you. Alright, it's here somewhere. I just finished putting stuff away. I'm doing like a catalog of all my sneakers if you guys don't know about that. But the Cool Gray 11 Low should be up here. Alright, so like I said, this one here is from 2001, and you can pretty much see like the differences off the bat. The sole on the 2001 is yellowed, and this was actually a version or a colorway that Michael Jordan had wore in his campaign with the Washington Wizards back in the 2001-2002 season. All the 11s, you know, were pretty much dropping. 2001 was like a heat year if you guys missed out, but those were some good times. But yeah, in comparison between the two, like you can see like the darker gray on here. Again, this is like color code 011, and they categorize this as medium gray white cool gray. And then on this one, like I said in the beginning of the video, it is a medium gray white and Gunsmoke. So yeah, really I think it's constructed real well. It looks like it has low cut patent leather. It doesn't have that high cut patent leather that you see on the highs like the Space Jams, you know, and the mids that are like continuing to come out, like those Win like 82s or the Win like 96s. There's also like a bunch of people that don't really like that high cut of patent. They wish that it was the lower cut patent, because I'm pretty sure you guys are more familiar with this cut of the patent leather than you are on like say the OG styles. So, but you know, as an OG, I do prefer like a high cut patent because that's pretty much how they were, and it just looks better to me in my opinion. So the quality of the nubuck here, it's really nice. I think Jordan Brand did an excellent job putting materials on this sneaker. The shape overall, it does look like your regular and your standard low. You got the white laces in. Something I always thought was weird about the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray with the white laces, I always thought that it should have been like a tonal color, you know, just matching the upper. I thought that one, you know, it just looks better. You guys see like the all gray suede upper of that high or that mid, and it's got like the leather style laces, and that to me just looks better. And but yeah, not much to say really. You know, I'm just gonna give you some looks here and then just some b-roll at the end so you guys can check it out. It's got that clear tinted blue outsole with the tonal gray hit on the herringbone traction there on the forefoot and the heel, and then you got the nice carbon fiber right in the middle, so it's supposed to give that good rigidity and support. But craftsmanship, you know, you see like a bit of the midsole here, the glue. It didn't seem like they made this one particularly well, but make sure that you guys are in store and you guys check your pairs. And you know, if they're cordial enough, if the workers are cordial enough to exchange the pair for you, do so, because you know, you're there spending money and you want to be able to get the best product that they have available. But anyways, that's your look of the Cool Gray 11 Lows. Let me know down in the comments if you guys had copped this pair, what you guys think about it. Is it something that you're going to be rocking this summer? Is it something that you're going to be rocking down the line? Let me know. If you're not subscribed to my channel, do so right now. I'm at mjo23dan. I'm also on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And if you're here for Air Jordans and you know, want to see some more looks, this is definitely the place to be, because you'll get comparisons of old school and new school and my thoughts overall with sneakers. And that's pretty much it, guys. So talk to you guys soon. Check out this B-roll. Take care.